This is help video number 2 for assignment A5 in educational technology. We are going to finish formatting and setting up the headers and student names in our Excel gradebook. We're going to start by creating lines in our header row. We're going to do that by left clicking and dragging on the sections where we would like to have cells enclosed in lines. So once you have it highlighted, you let go of the left click. You can come up to Fonts box and click on this symbol, and it will allow you to choose which type of border you want. I want lines all around each cell, so I'm going to choose that, and you can see how it looks once you get it set up. I have created a section for total points for each student in each category that I know I'm going to need for grade calculation. So but I want to add a title to this section so I can remember what it is and why it's there. So I'm going to right click in any one of those boxes would work. Right click and push insert, and I'm going to insert an entire row and click OK, and you'll notice that everything shifts down, and I'm now ready to add a title. But I don't want a title over the whole thing, I just want it over this section. So I'm going to from AC, I'm going to left click and drag, and then I'm going to go up at the top under the alignment box and click merge and center. Now anything that I type in this box should be centered right over this. Okay, and I want to do something similar below. So I'm going to go over here, starting from A3. I know I need to make this whole row here a little bit wider, so I'm going to, from A3, go over into in the margin until my cursor turns to a 4-point arrow. I'm going to left click and drag that down to make it as wide as I'd like, and that's about where I would like it. I know I'm not going to put any numbers in these rows until I get to this block right here, so I'm again going to merge and center by clicking in 3A, left click and drag over to select, and then click merge and center. And again, anything that I add in this box should be in the center of that block. I want again to have this centered top and bottom and left to right. I also want a similar color in all of these boxes across here, so I'm going to left click and drag from the edge all the way over, and then let go when I get to where I want it to be, and right click, format cell, and choose the color that I'd like in there. I am then ready to add what each assignment is worth, 100 points, 20 points for each quiz, and so on across the board. And now you're ready to start adding your student names, but it's obvious when you come over here that this isn't large enough for a very large student name. So if you will, from that row, come up between the A and the B grid line. When you see the 4-point arrow, you can left click and drag it to where you need it to be, and it will adjust the entire document to give you more space in that section. And then you can add each student name using the down arrows to get to the next student.